Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another week of lunch video. Today is Monday. I think it's week 8 or week 10, one of them. So this morning we're still on the clear out the pantry kind of situation because I'm getting ready for a big buy. So they're just gonna have a plain peanut butter sandwich, some veggie sticks, some sweet and salty popcorn, and a apple. This is a strawberry applesauce, and their juice is in this container. So it is the Hawaiian punch diluted, so half juice, half water with ice. Destiny's having the same thing, except she wanted tomatoes, so I might go ahead and just stick her veggie sticks on this side because I don't know, I feel like they're much safer on that side. So we're gonna stick them over there because the tomato has a little bit of juice on it, so I don't want it getting soggy. So let's stick them there. Hopefully it was the right decision. I think as the week goes by, I'm getting worse and worse at these videos. Some popcorn and her applesauce and her juice. Jackson, this is my baby. I just cut up his sandwich because it couldn't fit in there whole, his popcorn and his thing. Hopefully this is enough food, his applesauce. This is Jason, so I will see you guys after school.
It's after school on Monday, and Jordan, he ate everything, even his applesauce. Jason ate everything. No, he left a few veggie sticks, a couple. Then Jackson, he ate everything. He drank his, did he drink it? I don't know if he drank his juice, but I think he drank his juice. And then I ate everything, even the tomatoes, if you can see it. So I ate everything. And then I finished my juice. You can't hear it. Okay. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Tomorrow.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to another day of lunch video. Today is Tuesday, and we are having chili dogs. So this is turkey hot dog with some cheese, and this is baked beans to act as their chili, some sour cream, chips, one random lemon drop cookie that I attempted to bake yesterday, and yeah, so that's what that is. Jordan is gonna have a fruit tube, his juice, and his lunch bag. I don't know why I showed you guys that. Destiny does not like cheese, so she asked for ketchup, so that's what that is. Her baked beans and her fruit tube, her juice. Jackson is having the same thing, except he's having a Danimo yolk tube and his juice. And Jason is having the same thing, except he's having a Stonyfield Organic Kids. So I will see you guys after school today.
It is after school on Tuesday, and Jordan ate his hot dogs, his cheese, and his beans. Jackson ate his, he left a little bit of cheese, just a little bit. He left a little bit of beans too. And he drank his water. Well, there's still ice in there. And then Jordan, there's a little bit of ice in there. And then Jason, Jason ate all his cheese, left a little bit over there, and then he ate some of his beans. And then I finished my water, if you can hear. And then I did some of my ketchup. I ate all my baked beans, and I ate my hot dog. So I'll see you guys on Wednesday.
Guys, the kids are having pigs in a blanket. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't look appealing in the thermos, so I figured I would show it on the baking pan. So yeah. Good morning, guys, and welcome to another day of lunch video. Today is Wednesday. Yes, today is Wednesday, and here we are. They're gonna have pig in a blanket, so I showed you guys what it looks like because it was kind of hard to stuff 2 pigs in a blanket in here. So that's what they're gonna have. They're gonna have some veggie stick. I think it's veggie. I could be wrong, but they're gonna have veggie stick in the place of whatever veggie. Okay? Because I'm just lazy like that. Don't mind my toddler down here. She's just, I don't know, she's cranky. And they're gonna have what is this? Pretzel. It's just pretzel. Nothing to it. It's just dry. So it has water. They're gonna have water. No juice today. No juice. Cause my where's my juice?
It's in there.
Why?
I don't know.
They're gonna have a strawberry applesauce for fruit, right? Totally went in today. And a spoon to eat the applesauce with, because this is why they're not having any juice. This is what I was doing. I was watering this down, and for some odd reason somebody got into it. I don't know who it was. I think it might have been my husband.
Because Matt, you said to get Maddie juice.
Letting
the water down and
whatever. Destiny's having the same thing. So it's just pigs in blanket, and this pig wants to escape. No, you're staying there. Veggie? Say veggie. If we keep saying veggie, it will be veggie, okay? It's just dehydrated. We don't know. Pretzel. Well, this was supposed to be Jackson because of a smaller portion, but we'll just steal a few from over there, because the little guy don't need that much. Okay. So tacky. Don't touch the children's food. Who do you think prepare it?
Me. I
hate when people say, oh, you're touching the children's food too much. Who do you think prepare it, huh? I use my big old hand. I take a big handful and I slap it in there. Who do you think prepared this food, huh? Little robots? Robots? Is it robots? Yeah, little robots going around preparing lunch, and I just stand here and point. No, I touch it. All with love. Applesauce. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate on this video, but who cares? A spoon. That's a spoon. Her juice. This is Jackson. For some odd reason, this looks like a small. Let's take some from over here. Look, Jason's freaking out. Is that yours?
No, that's mine.
This is Jackson. He's having the same thing. This is empty, by the way. It's empty, but I'm about to fill it with something. Something about to be up in there. And then this is Jason. And it's the same thing, people. So, yeah. This is enough food for them to eat, and it will fill them up. They don't need to be full to the point where they are falling asleep in school. No. They just need something in their tummy to keep their distraction from their gut rumbling. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys after school today.
After school on Wednesday, and Mr. Jordan, didn't. He ate his veggie sticks and left the little pretzels, and he ate the rolls of pigs in a blanket, yeah. And then I ate everything in there, and then I ate the rolls of pigs. And then Jason ate the rolls of pigs. The pigs in a blanket, but they're actually hot dog. And Jason left pretzels and veggie sticks. I bet no one. And then Jackson ate his pigs in a blanket. They're actually hot dogs again. And then he ate everything. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of lunch video. Today is Thursday, and I'm so excited because it's almost Friday. So today they're having mac and cheese. No hot dog, no protein in it, nothing, just hot dog, some pretzel, and for their protein I'm just gonna give them some peanut butter so they can eat their pretzel with. I ate applesauce to act as fruit. I'm so winning this week. So Destiny's having the same thing, and she has a fork and spoon because her thermos does not have a spoon, and my ends are so ashy. Yeah, and Jackson's having the same thing. Jason's having the same thing. So I will see you guys. What is she doing?
Tomorrow.
Maddie, say hi. Say hi to the lunch videos. Okay.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Your shirts have your school name on it.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay. So I will see you guys tomorrow.
So today after school on Thursday, Jaxson ate his pretzel. He ate his thing because I don't feel anything in there. He's mac and cheese. And he ate everything else. Now Jaxson, he ate his pretzels. And he ate his mac and cheese and his applesauce. And I ate my pretzels, my mac and cheese, and left some water. And I ate my applesauce. And then Jordan. Let's see if I can open it. Let's see. He didn't drink most of his water. He left some pretzels. He ate his mac and cheese. He ate his applesauce and everything else. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to another day. Well, it's Friday of lunch videos. Depending on how I feel, this video might go up today. If not, it will go up on Monday. And if I don't put it up today, you will see what they ate. But if not, if it goes up today, you will see just what they had for lunch. And yeah, so anyways, I'm out of food. So what they're gonna have is peanut butter shaped in fall leaves. So you got pumpkin, you know, an acorn. Is that an acorn? Yeah, I think it's an acorn. A leaf and another leaf. Some, I don't know what this is. Okay, it's just pretzel and popcorn. I don't have any vegetable or fruit, so I'm just gonna give them a V8. Destiny is not a fan, but she has to drink it because there's no vegetable or fruit in their lunch, so she has to drink it. A strawberry gelatin. The other day I said this was a strawberry cream. Girl, bye. His spoon for that. Today is a short day, so that's why that's the reason why their food look like it's not enough, but it's a short day. Fridays are always short days. Destiny's having the same thing, except she's having a yogurt tube. And then they're gonna have water. They just haven't gotten to it yet. And then Jackson's having the same thing, and he's gonna have a yogurt tube. Jason's gonna have a gelatin orange. And so I will see you guys. Like I said, if this video does not go up today, I will see you guys after school. But if it goes up, then I will see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for supporting us and watching our video. And also, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our family. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.